Hey guys, it's another vlog and I'm so excited, okay, you guys, because today's vlog is going to be an unboxing of some items that I got, or some personal things I got, okay, one or two things for creating content with my phone, and the other things are just personal things that I just felt I needed for my regular everyday today life, and I decided to come on here to share them with you, okay, you guys. I don't know which one I'm going to start with first. Okay, let's start with AliExpress. Yes, I know you might be surprised and wondering, huh, is this girl old school or what? All this one other people are going on Temu and now she's doing AliExpress. This is the item I got, you guys. The song today is something else. This is the item I got, okay, from AliExpress, and I'm going to tell you a little back. So there's this, this. I don't know if you're a content creation person, you should already know about this already. Gadgets are always coming in, trending and all of that. And one of the latest ones that has been trending, okay, is this vlog selfie mirror that you can use to film comfortably with your back camera. I mean, I've always been using my front camera because the hassle to actually film with back camera is a lot, and to just avoid filming and then seeing that I have bad, video quality or bad, what is it called, bad image stabilization and the rest of them, I just decided to go with my front camera. Thankfully, my phone has been serving that purpose, but I have also always been looking forward to using my rear camera, and that was when I stumbled upon this. But when I went on Temu to go and get it, you guys, it was on the high side, yes, and I was ready to purchase it. But the problem now is that because I was buying something of, was it was, as at the first time that I saw it on Temu, it was 40 something thousand naira, and they were saying I needed to shop for up to 100,000 naira before I could get it, okay, and stuff like that. And if I wanted to get it alone, the delivery fee, die, it was crazy. So I decided to go on AliExpress to check it out, and I saw something that could serve as an alternative, and I decided to go with it. Okay, you guys, I received this yesterday, but I was so eager. I saw it to just see what it looked like because it felt kind of small. I was thinking it was going to be, bigger than this. But yeah, you guys, this is the selfie vlog something. So my loves, let's start with this one. Let's open this one. I already know what it is. What, yeah, okay. These things, sometimes they used to look bigger than. So first things first is this set of earrings. Oh, you guys. So first things, okay, you guys, are these set of earrings that I got. Let me just open this up. Okay, they look way smaller than I expected. I'm going to leave a picture of what I saw here that got me or prompted me to go and get this, and this is what I have. They're actually very tiny, and I don't use tiny. You guys, I promise you, they looked a bit bigger than this, okay? But you guys, I'm mainly going to make use of this just for regular, everyday, wearing of earrings and stuff like that. And of course, for the second thing, that is the main thing that we got, you guys, is this selfie mirror, okay? It didn't come in a packet. The container that was used to package it, that is supposed to be like the pocket, is slightly damaged. I don't know if you guys can see it here. It's slightly damaged, but you guys, let's look at what we have here. It comes with a microfiber cloth for cleaning your lens or your camera or your mirror, yeah. And it comes with a clip to help clip it to your phone. And what is this? It comes with a manual, I suppose, but this manual is written in Chinese, you guys. Clear Chinese. Yeah, Chinese area. Everything is literally written in Chinese, but you can see what it looks like or what it's supposed to look like. I'm going to leave a picture here for it to you guys. And for the main thing, this is the this is it. It's just a mirror basically that is supposed to, okay, I think this is how it comes. So you peel this off. Oh my gosh, it's so clean. Okay, but because I want to do like an unboxing separately, I'm not going to peel this off. But what you do is to peel this off to review the mirror. Are you seeing how clean the mirror is? So whenever I get dirty, you use your microfiber cloth to. So how do they do this thing now? Okay, you now clip it to. How do they do it? Sorry, let me bring my own. I'm going to use this phone to practicalize what I am saying. Like, for example, okay, you guys, I'm trying to figure out how to. The camera is okay. It's supposed to stay like this. Why is it? here. I don't understand this thing that is here, you guys. But I think it's supposed to be here like this. Okay. Then you clip it to your phone like this, like so, without the mirror. When I try to film, you know how you struggle to get positioning, like see, I'm trying to get the position to see if I can be in the middle, but you guys see, okay, can you see this? I'm trying to see how I can get it to position myself in the middle. So now what this does is when you clip it, it helps me see, you guys, automatically I can see myself here, and I know exactly where to put my, I'm trying to go, I'll probably see if I can get the video from the site, okay, you guys. But it just makes it so much easier to film with my back camera. Like, I'm going to try to film something now, so let's try this out. I don't know if this is working. Is this working?
Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
welcome to
welcome
my
to my
space on
space
the
on the
internet. It
internet.
is
It
your
is your
girl
girl
Shuga.
Shuga. So basically, you guys, I think I'm going to get the hang of it. Of course, I'm going to get the hang of it later on. So we're just going to put this all in. Yeah. And for the other part of this video, you guys see the things I went to the market to buy. Okay, I just thought by to buy some, just a few things. Like I said, you guys, just some casual stuff that I could always use. And I'm tearing the nylon. So first off is this cute sandal right here. Yeah, cute. And I got these slip-ons, slippers, slip-ons, slippers, slip-ons. These cute slippers that I got. The reason why I got it, honestly, you guys, is because of the color. I like anything nudish brown in color. Yeah, and I got these for, sometimes when I'm not in the mood for very heely shoes, but I just want something that will not, keep me on the floor still, regardless. So I got these cute corporate short shoes. Can you see that? Can you see that? And of course, I mean, one of the things, I'm already wearing them, so there's wearing it. There's no point showing you that one. And then of course, I got this. What are they called again? I got this. Okay, I got this. You guys, that is all I got. I just came on here to share that with you guys. Okay, which of these items are your favorites among the footwears that I got? Which one did you like the most, or do you think fits me the most? Let me know in the comment section below. If you're a content creator watching me, are you looking to try out this vlog selfie mirror? Let me also know in the comment section below. Until I come away next time in my very next pretty videos, catch up on other vlogs that I have on this channel, where you get to see me up close and personal, outside talking about skincare, fake versus original, review of this skincare or the other one or not. My darlings, catch up on my other vlogs. And thank you for watching this video till the end. Do you like vlogs? Let me know in the comment section. What other kind of vlogs and videos would you like to see on this channel? Until I come away next time in my very next video. What am I shy? To tell you, I think it's because I'm showing this thing off. Like, I've never done this before in any of my vlogs. But yeah, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Yeah. This song did not favor me today. Oh, it did not favor me today. I don't understand what is the kind of vibe that is giving me. Eh? Don't understand the kind of vibe that this thing is giving me. I want to self. But yeah.